more. I find myself on this empty shore. A warm breeze bringing memories of long gone summer days. Long gone summer days.